At the edge of a meadow where bright flowers grew, Old MacDonald once dreamed of a marvelous zoo. One golden morning, as sunlight appeared, he opened the gates and the animals cheered. The sky blushed pink with the rising sun's glow, welcoming wonders to Old MacDonald Zoo. Old MacDonald stood smiling with hat in his hand, a guitar gently strumming a tune soft and grand. Come one, come all, he sang with delight, for today in the zoo we will dance day and night. First came the lion with a proud little roar, his fluffy mane bouncing as he danced on the floor.
Then an elephant waddled with laughter so wide, splashing cool water from the pond by its side. Rainbows appeared in each sparkling spray, and butterflies twirled as they joined in the play. High in the trees the monkey swung free, drumming on branches with joyful glee. Bananas went flying, leaves danced in the air, and giggles of children rang everywhere. A tall, gentle giraffe bent low from above, singing sweet notes like a songbird of love. Nearby a panda rolled round and round, bamboo sticks tapping a rhythmical sound. He tumbled and giggled with joyful surprise, while laughter reflected in bright little eyes. Striped zebra stomped with a rhythmic beat, tap-tapping hooves on the dancing street. His stripes seemed to shimmer in colorful light, as the zoo turned into a magical sight. Parrots burst singing with feathers so bright, painting the trees with colors of flight.
Fireworks bloomed as the night grew deep, yet no one in the zoo wished to sleep, for music and laughter filled the air, with joy and friendship everywhere. Old MacDonald looked around with pride, watching the animals dance side by side.